Studying maths just got easier with Standard 10 Precise Notes for Mathematics Part 1. Based on the latest Maharashtra board textbook and paper pattern, the book covers ideal solutions to all textual exercises, miscellaneous questions, and additional practice questions. Learn how to solve problems under illustrative examples with step-by-step solutions. Solve MCQs and short problems under 1-mark questions. Gear up for challenging questions as well. For rapid revision, use Important Formulae list. Use Smart Check to check the accuracy of your answers. Understand the pattern of questions asked in the exams with the tag Past Board Questions and latest solved board question paper. Pass your SSC exam with flying colors.